Ever felt your knees scream on the last mile of a hike? That pain doesn't have to be your story anymore. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm revealing the top 6 best trekking poles for hiking, chosen for support, comfort, and durability. Stay tuned and use the links in the description to find your perfect pair. The number 6 product on our list is LIANGBAI Trekking Poles. Most hikers do not realize how much energy they lose fighting balance instead of enjoying the trail. Built for control and adaptability, the LIANGBAI Trekking Poles bring stability back to every step. Adjustable sections let you fine-tune length for steep climbs or long flats, easing strain on knees and lower back. The aircraft-grade aluminum frame feels strong without adding fatigue, while the textured grip stays secure when sweat builds. Many hikers hesitate before buying trekking poles because they fear bulky gear. This one packs down cleanly and carries easily. The upside is solid support, flexible setup, and a confident feel on uneven ground. The downside is the tactical design may feel excessive for casual walkers. Compared with basic hiking sticks, this offers more strength and versatility. Ideal for hikers, backpackers, and outdoor explorers who want relief, steady rhythm, and dependable support as miles stretch and terrain keeps changing. At number 5 is SmartstickX Trekking Poles. Night hikes expose how unprepared most walking sticks really are. Built for hikers who stay out past daylight, the SmartstickX Trekking Poles turn uncertainty into steady progress. Trails get tricky when visibility drops or phones die, and that is where the built-in light and USB power quietly change the experience. The cork grip sits comfortably through long miles, reducing hand strain while wrist support keeps balance steady. Many hikers hesitate before buying trekking poles for hiking because bulky designs slow them down. This collapsible build packs small, yet feels solid when fully extended. The upside is versatility, portability, and extra utility that feels reassuring on solo trips. The downside is added features make it heavier than minimalist hiking poles. Compared with simple aluminum sticks, this offers more support and function. Ideal for travelers, night hikers, and campers who want relief, smart value, and dependable support when conditions shift and daylight fades. At number 4 is Fizan Compact 3 Trekking Poles. Web slows more hikes than steep climbs ever will. Designed for those who count every ounce, the Fizan Compact 3 Trekking Poles feel almost invisible in motion, yet steady under pressure. Many hikers hesitate before buying trekking poles because heavy designs tire arms fast. These answer with ultra-light build, smooth locking, and balanced support that keeps rhythm natural. The cork grip rests comfortably under the palm, easing strain during long ascents and careful descents. Adjustability makes trail changes simple, from rocky switchbacks to stream crossings. The upside is incredible lightness, strong grip feel, and precise length control. The downside is they demand careful handling compared to thicker poles. Compared with bulkier aluminum options, these feel faster and more fluid. Ideal for backpackers, alpine hikers, and long-distance walkers who want relief on knees, steady balance, and gear that disappears until it is truly needed at the hardest moments of the trail. The third one on our list is AiGear G2 Trekking Poles. Most hikers underestimate how much control disappears when terrain turns unpredictable. Built for demanding trails, the AiGear G2 Trekking Poles restore balance with a solid feel that stays steady on rock, mud, and crossings. Many people hesitate before buying trekking poles for hiking because flimsy shafts and weak locks fail under pressure. This design answers with rugged aluminum strength and a grip that adapts from classic staff to straight support. Adjustable length helps dial comfort for climbs or descents, easing strain on knees and wrists over long miles. Extra utility tools add reassurance on remote routes where preparation matters. The upside is durability, versatility, and a reassuring hand feel on uneven ground. The downside is it weighs more than minimalist poles. Compared with ultralight hiking sticks, this favors strength over speed. Ideal for hikers, anglers, and explorers who want relief, practical value, and dependable support when trails demand more than balance alone. On number 2 is Foxelli Trekking Poles. Most hikers discover too late that tired arms and aching knees come from poor support, not weak legs. Built for long miles, the Foxelli Trekking Poles bring balance back to every step with a feather-light feel that never drags you down. Carbon fiber construction keeps movement fast and smooth, while cork grips settle naturally into the hand as sweat builds. Adjustable length adapts easily to climbs, descents, and changing terrain, easing pressure where it hurts most. The upside is comfort, stability, and energy saved over long days. The downside is carbon fiber demands a bit more care than aluminum. Compared with heavier trekking poles for hiking, these feel quicker and more forgiving. This set is ideal for backpackers, travelers, and day hikers who want relief on joints, better rhythm on the trail, and gear that works quietly in the background while the journey takes center stage. Now moving to the last one is TrailBuddy Trekking Poles. Most trail fatigue starts with shaky footing long before legs give out. Designed to steady every step, the TrailBuddy Trekking Poles bring balance back when terrain turns rough or slippery. Hikers often hesitate before buying trekking poles because cheap locks slip and grips blister hands. These answer with strong aluminum build, quick lever adjustment, and cork handles that settle comfortably as miles add up. The height range adapts fast for climbs, descents, or sharing with younger hikers, easing strain on knees and ankles. The upside is durability, easy adjustment, and dependable support across seasons. The downside is they feel slightly heavier than carbon fiber options. Compared with lighter trekking poles for hiking, these trade a bit of weight for long-term toughness. Ideal for beginners, families, seniors, and everyday hikers who want relief on joints, steady rhythm on uneven paths, and gear that stays reliable from the first step to the last. Among all the winner is Foxelli Trekking Poles, because strong build, ergonomic grips, and adjustable length offer dependable support on varied terrain. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best trekking poles for hiking. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.